This is what I call my wet brush cleaning, where I'm working over a paper towel that has been fairly saturated with water. This is porcelain that has never been in a kiln. It is straight out of the mold. It is soft, it's fragile, it is almost like a new baby, where you want to make sure you handle it with tender care because you don't want to squeeze it too hard or drop it. There's texture because of the fact that this is coming off of clay. You can't use too much water, because if I just slightly coat the porcelain, that way when I go to work it, the dust is already wet and it's just going to fall down instead of flying up into the air. And with it landing on the paper towel, it stays caught down there. Brush method is softer than what it would be in sapphire. With the wet brush method, because this is so soft, but I can also come back in and do the detail, like the nails. And no, you're not seeing this wrong. My Fae characters always just have 3 fingers and a thumb. Having this wet method is if there was something that I needed to patch or fix, I can use this dust down here and below. It's not so wet that I can't come in to sand it smooth. This allows me to take down quite a bit of the texture that's from the clay, because porcelain has a memory. Sapphire is harder. So this is my first layer of cleaning. Once I do this, then I'll take it into sapphire.